Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Prado Kakadu, and this one is the 2011 model. So everything already been finished and just come back from the starting point. The Kakadu comes with the factory LCD screen, factory CD player, DVD player, and roof mount DVD on the roof here. Okay, and it comes with the factory sat-nav navigation module under the passenger seat, and factory amplifier under the driver's seat, and the premium sound setup, and steering wheel control and camera control on the steering. So on, that's all the factory setup. And our new system, quad LED screen premium version, fit right here with the new setup frame and new head unit touch screen, very smooth and very responsive, and everything fully fit with the purpose to retain the factory control. And yes, the system here retain all the factory steering wheel control. You can control the steering button over here for the music, and you can control the phone answer button over here to answer the phone and drop the phone. You can control this camera button to see your camera on the new screen, just like the factory did before. And you still can keep using your CD, DVD player and roof DVD player if in case you want to use it. So yep, that's all about the new system fit. And now talking about the camera, actually the camera is the all surrounding camera setup from the factory, and what it works in the past, it is working in our new system the same way. Okay, and we fit in a new USB port over here. We fit in another USB port inside the glow box, and yeah, that's pretty much. One thing that I need to mention, that the sound system now is much better than before, because the new head unit has a very strong amplifier built in, so it combined with the factory amplifier and premium sound setup to make a very nice sound at the end now. And the last thing is about the air conditioner control. At this moment you can control the air conditioner from the screen here. Okay, from the touch screen, full touch screen, easy to control. Any button you see on the screen is anything that you can control from the new system. And at the same time you can control from here at the physical button as it was. So that's a very easy, convenient and you know, convenience system for the air conditioner in this Kakadu model. Yep, so to sum up, all the factory function retain very well working on the new system. And now just press the reverse and you'll see the reverse camera coming up on the screen. Okay, and now let's see this. Move it forward, it comes back to front, and move it backward and it comes to the reverse. And now you can press the button here and you can start changing to see different camera. Okay, that's the way. And yep, that's all the thing. Okay, yep, easy, comes back. So that's about our new system, 9-inch quad LED premium setup for the Toyota Prado Kakadu. This one is in 11 and with the wireless Apple Carplay running. And also we will do the video for the wireless Android Auto quickly as well. So if you have the same car, you know that we can do fitting the new setup and retain all the function from the factory. Beautiful, running, and very modern. You know that this one can do a lot more than what the factory can do. It has Wi-Fi internet, SIM card 4G SIM card internet. It has built-in GPS, internal hard disks, Wi-Fi hotspot. It can run YouTube, Netflix, Foxtel, multimedia, website, and yep, it can run a lot of things. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.